Hello. Welcome, my friend. I am Emily.
And I am Paul.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy.
Today, we will learn English for a very common life moment.
A moment you have many times.
You go to a shop.
You want to buy something.
Maybe food.
Maybe clothes.
Maybe a small thing.
Like soap.
Or a pen.
Or a bottle of water.
This lesson is for you.
Yes, for you.
Many people feel scared in a shop.
They think, what do I say?
They think, what if I say something wrong?
That is normal.
Very normal.
Today, we help you feel calm.
We help you feel strong.
You can do this.
Yes, you can do this. First, let us talk about a problem.
A real problem.
You walk into a shop.
The shopkeeper looks at you.
They smile.
They wait.
Your heart beats fast.
Your mind is empty.
You know English words.
But they hide.
You feel shy.
You feel stuck.
We understand you.
We were beginners too.
Today, step by step, we learn.
Slowly.
Calmly.
With many repeats.
We promise you this.
At the end, you will speak.
Simple English.
Clear English.
Real English. Let us start very easy.
Very, very easy.
When you enter a shop, you can say one word.
Just one word.
Hello.
Listen.
Hello.
Hello.
Again.
Hello.
Good.
Very good.
You can also say hi.
Hi.
Hello and hi are the same.
Both are friendly.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Hi.
Good job.
Now, the shopkeeper may say something.
They may say, hello.
Or, hi.
Or, can I help you?
This is very common.
Can I help you?
Let us say it slowly.
Can.
I.
Help.
You.
Can I help you?
This means, what do you want?
Or, what do you need?
It is a kind question, not scary. When you hear this, you can answer. Now we learn a very useful sentence.
Very useful.
I want.
Listen.
I want.
I want.
This is very powerful.
You can use it many times.
I want water.
I want bread.
I want a shirt.
Repeat after me.
I want water.
I want bread.
Good.
You sound great.
You can also say, I need.
I need.
I need soap.
I need milk.
I want and I need are similar.
Both are okay.
Use the one you like.
Repeat after me.
I need soap.
I need milk.
Nice. Now let us make it longer.
Slowly.
You can say, I want this.
This means something near you.
You point with your finger.
I want this.
Repeat.
I want this.
You can also say, I want that.
That is far.
Repeat.
I want that.
Very good. Sometimes you do not know the name of the thing.
That is okay.
Very okay.
You can point.
And say, what is this?
Listen.
What is this?
What is this?
Repeat after me.
What is this?
Good. The shopkeeper may answer.
They say the name.
This is soap.
This is sugar.
You can say, okay, or thank you. Simple words are enough.
Simple is strong.
Now we learn about price.
Very important.
You want to know the price.
You can ask, how much is this?
Listen slowly.
How
Much
is
this.
how much is this?
Repeat.
How much is this?
Again.
How much is this?
Great. The shopkeeper may say a number.
It is 50.
Or, it is 100.
Do not worry.
Numbers take time.
You can always ask again.
You can say, sorry, or please say again.
Repeat. Sorry?
Please say again.
Very polite.
Now let us practice a small conversation.
Very small.
I am the customer.
I am the shopkeeper.
Hello.
Hello.
I want this.
Okay.
How much is this?
It is 50.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? Very simple.
You can do this.
Yes, you can do this. Now we repeat with you.
Repeat after Emily.
Hello.
Good.
I want this.
Nice.
How much is this?
Great.
Thank you.
Very good speaking.
Now, let us add one more sentence.
One more only.
Do you have?
This is a question.
Do you have rice?
Do you have eggs?
Listen.
Do,
You.
have.
Do you have?
Repeat.
Do you have rice?
Good.
The shopkeeper may say yes.
Or no.
If yes, you can smile.
If no, it's okay.
You can ask something else.
No problem.
Now, a longer real-life talk.
Slowly.
Hello.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I want bread.
Okay.
Do you have brown bread?
Yes.
How much is this?
It is 60.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is real English.
This you hear every day.
Now, let us talk about mistakes.
Small mistakes.
Mistake 1.
Saying nothing.
Not this.
But this.
Say hello.
One word is enough.
Mistake 2.
Speaking very fast.
Not this.
But this.
Speak slow.
Clear words.
Mistake 3.
Feeling shame.
Not this.
But this.
Feel proud.
You are learning.
Now, let us repeat all key phrases again.
Very important.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
I want.
I want.
I need.
I need.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Do you have?
Do you have?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say them with us.
Again.
Hello.
I want this.
How much is this?
Thank you.
You are doing very well.
Yes, very well.
Remember, English is practice.
Not perfect.
Small steps.
Every day.
Next time you go to a shop, try.
Just try.
One sentence.
One smile.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Stay calm.
Speak slow.
Be kind to yourself.
English will grow.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for your time.
We are proud of you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Let us continue. Nice and easy.
Yes, slow and calm.
We will practice more.
More practice helps memory.
Imagine you are in a small shop.
A friendly shop.
You walk inside.
You see many things.
You take a breath.
You feel okay.
The shopkeeper looks at you.
They smile.
You say, hello.
This is a good start.
The shopkeeper says, hello.
Or hi.
You feel better now.
Yes, more calm.
You look around.
You see apples.
You see bananas.
You see milk.
You want milk.
You say, I want milk.
Clear and simple.
Repeat after me.
I want milk.
Good.
The shopkeeper may ask, how much?
Or they may show you.
You can ask first.
How much is this?
Repeat slowly.
How much is this?
Nice. The shopkeeper says, it is 40.
You listen.
You think.
You say, okay.
Or, okay, thank you.
Very polite.
Now let us add money words.
Very basic.
Cheap.
Cheap means low price.
Expensive.
Expensive means high price.
You can say, it is cheap.
Or, it is expensive.
Repeat.
It is cheap.
It is expensive.
Good.
You can also say, too expensive.
This means very expensive.
Repeat after me.
Too expensive.
If it is too expensive, you can stop.
You can smile.
You can say, no thank you.
Repeat. No thank you. Very good.
Now we do another full conversation.
Listen first.
Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want apples.
Do you want red apples?
Yes.
How much?
How much is this?
It is 80.
It is too expensive.
Okay.
No thank you.
Okay, thank you.
This is real life.
This happens every day.
Now, your turn.
Repeat after us.
Hello.
Good.
I want apples.
Nice.
How much is this?
Great.
No thank you.
Perfect.
Let us practice, yes, please.
Very useful.
When you want something,
You say, yes, please.
repeat.
Yes, please.
When you do not want it,
You say, no, thank you.
repeat.
No, thank you.
Simple English works.
Simple English is strong.
You do not need long sentences.
Short is good.
Now, we help your memory.
We repeat again.
Hello,
Hello.
I want.
I want.
How much is this?
How much is this?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Say it with confidence.
You are learning.
Every word is progress.
Every try is good.
Maybe your voice shakes.
That is okay.
Maybe you forget a word.
That is okay.
Smile and try again.
People understand.
English is not about perfect.
English is about connection.
One person to another person.
One smile to another smile.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
You stayed and practiced.
That is strong.
Use this English today.
In a shop.
In a small store.
Anywhere.
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for your trust.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
See you again soon.
Bye-bye, my friend.